we are the Group 2. Our topic is all about intellectual revolution society. Overview. In the study of the history of science and technology, intellectual revolution across all time was one of the key interests. The interests lie on how this revolution emerged as a result of the interaction of science and technology and society. It also covers how intellectual revolution have changed the way modern science was understood and approached.
So, what is an intellectual revolution? The intellectual revolution pertains to the paradigm shift or change in the scientific belief that have been widely embraced, accepted by the people. Ang intellectual revolution ay importante siya sa history sa science at technology. Tungod kay nabago ang paguna-una sa mga tao sa paglabay sa panahon. Sa una, daghan kayo mga belief nga diretso ra mo to ang mga tao. For example, sa una, daghan kinagingon nga flat daw ang earth. Muna ang gituhan sa mga tao. Pero tungod sa science, na-discover na gid nga dili flat ang earth. In 2018, naay tulo ka revolution nga na-define sa society. Una, scientific revolution. Kaduha, ideas of know. Katulo, information revolution.
Scientific revolution. The period of enlightenment where the development in the fields of mathematics, physics, astronomy, biology, and chemistry transformed the views of society about nature. So scientific revolution has five elements like mathematics, physics, astronomy, biology, and chemistry. And also has a four bodies of science as science as an idea, science as an intellectual activity, science as an body of knowledge, science as personal and social activity which is we are using right now in our society. Ideas of non-intellectual. First, Copernican revolution. In the 60th century, Ptolemy introduced the geocentric model where it showed that the Earth is the center of the universe, which was thought to be true by most of the people at the same time. So, nag-start ang theory ni Ptolemy in the 16th century. I-introduce niya ang geocentric model. I-introduce niya sa mga tao sa kalibutan. I-introduce that the center of the universe, which was thought to be true. Kaya ang center of the universe model ang Earth. So, an astronomer concretizes the geocentric theory. So, mostly sa mga astronomer, ikontra nilang theory ni Ptolemy. Kaya lagi kontra ng which is tinuod kay i-introduce ng mga model nga to, which is theory lang. So, propose the geocentric theory. Muna to, i-propose na dala ng geocentric theory. Geocentric and heliocentric. So, ang geocentric, one yung nakuhaan ng theory is Ptolemy. Muna sa nag-invent na nagkuhaan ng theory. And heliocentric, ang nagkuhaan ng theory is Copernican. So, these two astronomers, known as astronomers to their prime, their generation, kinagkuhaan sa nagawin sila kasi tinod na theory yun, geocentric pa o heliocentric. So, muni, geocentric model of the universe is a set of nested transparent spheres with the Earth in the center. So, muna ang theory ni Ptolemy, the geocentric model. Geocentric model of the universe is a set of nested transparent spheres with the Earth in the center. So, malagay kayo sa kanina mga topic na ginaingon niya, ang center of the universe which is ang Earth. So, ang heliocentric na po, which is ang theory ng Copernican. Heliocentric, model Earth along with other heavenly bodies rotates around the Earth. So, ano po ito karoon? Nga itong ginagamit karoon, ginagamit ang Earth kauban sa laing planets like Mars, planets, etc. Heliocentric model was met huge resistance primarily from the Church, accusing Copernicus of heresy. At the same time, the idea that it was not Earth or not man that was at the center of creation was unthinkable. Copernicus faced persecution from the churches because of this. So because of the heliocentric model, Copernicus accused of her seat. At the same time, the idea that it was earth or not man that was at the center of the creation was unthinkable. So wala nang ginoon ayo ni Copernicus yang theory ng heliocentric model. Copernicus faced persecution, naka-face siya persecution di lang sa churches sa kung basa ang research, but sa mga people, persecute siya no, because sa iyang theory ng heliocentric model. The change occurred also through the contribution of other important persons such as Branches observation of the star Cassiopeia. So, kita sa gitawag na star ng Cassiopeia, no? Cassiopeia, mo siya observe nila through telescope or something of quantum the universe directly. And second, Kepler stated that planets move elliptical and the sun at the center. So, ang planets daw kung one elliptical, reverse of move and reverse of pabalik, which is elliptical, the sun at the center. And the third telescope observed Venus. Galileo Galilei. So, si Galileo Galilei, muna siya ang first na nag-observe sa Venus through telescope. Telescope po muna itong ginagamit ko ng modern views karon sa itong planet na maka-observe sa light planet yapon. Okay? Thousands of miles nakatravel ng telescope. Kaya makato na sa Venus mo, maka-observe na sa Venus because of the telescope we are using. And the fourth and the last is Isaac Newton, law of gravitation. So most of us humans has known Isaac Newton naman dyan, which is the man na nagsandig likod sa tree sa apple, which is nagkakansag apple sa iyang ulo. Dito rin niya na process tayo ng gravity, which is munang gravity, munang ginapol, baba sa tuwa, ginapol, paupos. And Darwin's evolution first formulated his book on the origin of species. Through this revolution, the development of organisms and the origin of unique forms of life and humanity could be rationalized by lawful system or an orderly process of change underpinned by laws of nature. So through this revolution, the development of organization, the rationalized by lawful system orderly process of change underpinned by laws of nature. So muna siya first time, mag-change ang laws of nature, like nature not like the nature, but the laws and our system in the lawful, orderly process and change underpinned by laws of nature.
Freudian revolution, historian, neurologist, and the founder of psychoanalysis, a scientific method of understanding inner and unconscious conflicts embedded within one's personality, spiraling from free association to subconscious and individual. Freud founded psychoanalysis. He described that the brain can be segmented into compartments. He developed an observation method to study humans' inner life that mainly focuses on human sexuality and evil nature of man. Freudian revolution may be viewed as the discovery of a way of locating in the mind objective entities which can be studied like psychologists. So according to Freudian revolution, isa sa doktor na maka-confess sa mga mental health sa mga tao, especially sa mga unconscious na mga tao na may mga problem sa utak o pag tabang resolve sa mga naay sakit. She also discovered the psychoanalysis na nakakuan siya sa sakit sa tao. And for the lastly, information revolution, Sumerian photograph, photographs, printing presses, typewriter, and telegrams. This has been the era in which technology has been prevalent. It also has computer age that brought changes on how we are living today, writing, printing, mass media, entertainment. So, sa karon sa one is mga new species na siya, mga writing, printing, mass media, determined. So, mo din nakalahiyan sa technology and society.
At last but not least, lesson summary. Intellectual revolutions have changed the way modern science was understood and approached. Some of the most important revolutions that altered the way humans view science and its impact on society were Copernican, Darwinian, and Freudian revolution. Intellectual revolution are often met with a huge resistance and controversy. Copernicus formulated a heliocentric model of the universe, being the sun center of the universe. Heliocentric model was soon accepted by other scientists, was propounded by Galileo Galilei. Charles Darwin criticized all science evolution of origin species began new era to intellectual discovery. Freudian's personality theory states that human personality has three parts. And the three parts is ego, ID, and superego. The Freudian revolutions of the cellular universal and met with resistance. So lessons summary has three. Darwinian, Freudian, Copernican, Galileo Galilei, Charles Darwin. And there are four that,